The electricity generation should be calculated according to the light time in your area. You tell me the area. I will have the technology do the measurement table within 60 minutes. We will provide detailed installation instructions and electrical drawings. 90% of the buyers can quickly and simply complete the installation within 5 days, or find local electrician labor service for installation. Then we will provide corresponding cooperative engineering companies to serve you. After-sales engineering companies are responsible for on-site installation. On-site installation or real-time online guidance service can be provided within 72 hours. If you have questions or needs, you can contact us.